Today there's lightning this way. Did you see that, guys? That's the lightning. Okay, like, let me put it up here for you guys to see better. What the heck? You guys can't see anymore. So guys, today I'm gonna make a video about watching, but the phone is gonna turn off when it wants to, because something. My brother, he has too much videos, so we can.
Not falling off is because his mates are standing on the other end.
Just
like, you know,
laser beam.
This is the last video I recorded with my mustache. Enjoy it while you video I recorded with my mustache. Enjoy it while you can.
Okay, guys. So now we're just gonna watch laser beam. Wait, hold up, guys.
This is the last video I recorded with my mustache. Enjoy it while you can. Rest in peace. Do not get anxiety. We go to the Sweaty Palm subreddit, and it's a collection of the most insane videos that will give you anxiety.
Oh my god, that actually scared me. Holy crap. Why did I turn the lights off? No, what am I doing? No. I'm gonna put it down. What am I doing?
It doesn't actually strike me. We verified, like, no one dies, no one gets hurt, everyone's fine. Alright, our first video. Looks like someone rappelling or something. Oh god! That is just horror. I don't know if it's the camera angle and stuff that makes that feel so much worse. It's amazing. The rope can support the weight of this man's testicles. Now, I don't know if you guys know what happened, right? So he's rappelling down the mountain and then showing you what happens when your rope fails. Now, luckily, this man is set up with a rope swing here. But this man intentionally had his rappel rope fail. Girl catches a huge catfish. Like, you make a Tinder profile with really attractive pictures, and then this shows up. Like that kind of catfish.
Oh, it just swallowed my whole hand.
That's not a good sign. If you're on a Tinder date and they swallow your whole hand, that's not a good sign.
Oh, man. That's a big blue. I didn't even think it was a blue.
What are you Americans doing? This is how you go fishing? That was not the catfish I was expecting.
Look at that blue. It swallowed my whole hand.
That isn't a fish, that's a whale. She's up to her elbow in it.
Stinks.
Yeah, the smell's the problem, not the fact that it's eating you. Oh god, I can already tell this is a parkour one. Gonna get my hands sweaty before we even start. Why? Why do you want it? There's a million ways that could have gone wrong. There's so many ways that could have gone wrong. Look at that, man. Look at that drop, dude. I'm not scared of being high up. I'm scared of being on the edge of something and looking down. But this does actually freak me out, dude. No. What is wrong with the ground, eh? What is wrong with this? It's solid. It's good. Mum's reflexes save her child. What's happening here? No, kid, you idiot. Oh, my. Oh, God, the kid's okay. She caught the kid. Oh, God. I mean, I'm glad the kid's all right, but this is what natural selection is. In the wild, that kid never would have survived. Holy crap, mother of the year. Diver simply denies the shark. Oh, the shark just wants to smooch.
If I was outside
Just trying to
with
get
my
a
mom
cheeky
and dad,
tongue kiss in. Normally it's not that easy to sit on the bottom of the ocean, but the size of his testicles, you know? I mean, as a certified scuba diver myself, I have seen what's at the bottom of the ocean, and there's a reason I don't scuba dive anymore. I simply don't have the testicle size. Lion sneaks up on a dude.
Somebody's sneaking up on me. Many things I can't see.
And you're casually vlogging this. Hey guys, just here with my friend, full-grown male tiger, and today we're doing the Don't Get Eaten challenge.
Isn't that gonna be clever enough?
That didn't. Oh, my internet did.
Like a young Joe Exotic right here. Before all the drugs.
Something's happening.
TV show. Death
Something's
Wish.
happening to
Oh,
the
this
phone,
should
dude.
be good.
Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys saw that. It's probably because of the lightning is doing something to the phone.
Why, man? Why? 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 Why?
My phone.
No, this is actually like giving me like.
Lightning,
That's not good.
dude.
This is an
Does
insult to
something
people
to
that
the
die
phone.
like normal ways. Like, you're wasting a gift
I'm dead.
here. For what, some YouTube views? Bro, just make a Fortnite clickbait live stream. Talk about a
What do
Kraken
I
or something
do?
like that. What's the worst thing that could happen on a tightrope with no gear? This dude's walking without gear. Look at that. That's what happens when he fell. That's gonna get a huge F that from me. Darn right, man. I'm good. I'm good with solid earth. Give me solid earth. I was aware that
Wait,
goats
guys,
break
I'm trying to
lungs, but spread
close
out
my
concrete is
window.
amazing.
So, because like something.
Why is there a goat up a palm tree? Oh, it's good to finally have a laugh. Do goats eat coconuts? Like, what's the purpose of climbing up the tree? See, like, it makes sense for animals to do something this stupid. They're dumb. It's just a little bit different to when a Russian teenager climbs off the side of a building. Oh, you know, just some blokes fixing an air conditioner. I'd like to point out that man is standing on a ladder, and the only reason he is not falling off is because his mates are standing on the other end. Like, you know, using like physics and stuff, it makes sense. Like, he's not going to fall as long as his friends are there. What if they decide they hate him? There's probably better ways for this to be done.
Oh
That's
my
just
God,
my
dude.
opinion.
What is it doing?
Looks like we got another Russian
Come on.
teenager doing something stupid. Do they not have Xbox in Russia? There's so many other... Why is this your only form of entertainment? Don't do that. Don't do that. Why? Seriously? Get an Xbox. Play video games. Stay inside. This is easily the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. He's taking this to a whole nother level. A normal day in Russia.
Wait, Leo.
Это вот такая вот...
What?
Васька, ты меня не убьешь? Слушай, как
It's just
красиво.
Yeah,
a man
Leo,
taking
come
his,
look what's happening
his
to the
bear
phone.
for a
Я
walk
хочу
on
вот
ice skates.
всё. Ой, как круто, ребят, как тут красиво.
I see absolutely nothing unusual here. And now we know why it's the same country that has those kids hanging off buildings. Why can't you just have dogs? Like, dogs are pretty cute. Oh my god, these parents weren't watching their kid, and the kid climbed over the edge, out of their window, and walked along the edge. Why are you going back? Oh!